Okay, doors closing, being latched. Okay, doors closed, latched. Can you push that door open again? And now because I'm recording, you're not going to do it, huh?
That is weird.
Yeah.
Why won't you open the door? You did it the other times. What makes this time so different?
That's a hard ass fucking latch for them to just click right open.
Yeah. Extremely hard.
What the hell? There it goes. Thank you. Thank you for that. One more time, please. Move your light, Jay. Can you do it one more time? Thank you very much. That was awesome. That's fucking kick-ass, dude.
That is a class A.
That's
Ghost
some
encounter.
fucking poultry.